All right, so I'm going to finish going over these questions we started in class. So I'm going to do number 4 now. So number 4 is really similar to number 3. For number 3, we started by distributing, but I'm going to show you a different way to do this in case you like it better this way. So we have -4 times -4 plus x equals 56, is greater than 56. So since the entire left-hand side of this inequality is being multiplied by -4, we can divide the entire thing by -4. And by doing this, we no longer have to distribute because we're canceling out those -4s. So what we're left with is what was in the parentheses, so -4 plus x. Now, here we have to be careful because we divided both sides by a negative number. So now we need to flip the inequality. And then we have 56 divided by 4, which is 14. So this is going to be -14. For some reason we are not writing. Here we go. -14. All right, so we have -4 plus x is less than -14. So now to get the x alone, we just have to add 4 to both sides. So we're left with x is less than -10. So we do an open circle on the -10, and since it's less than, it goes that way, to the left. All right, so number 5, we have -b minus 2 is greater than 8. So we want to get the b alone. So let's add 2 to both sides to isolate the b term. So then we have -b is greater than 10. All right, so we almost have the b alone. We just have to divide by -1, so it's a positive b. So now we have b is less than -10. Now I had to flip that inequality symbol around again because we divided by a negative number. So we have b is less than -10. So we put an open circle because it's just less than, so it's not including the -10. And then an arrow this way representing all the values less than -10. So then number 6, let's go back to distributing the way we did for number 3. So you could do the trick that we did in number 4 where you divide by -4 to start off with, but this time I'll go back to distributing. So we have -4 times 3, which is -12, and then -4 times n, which is -4n, is greater than -32. So we want to get the n term alone, so we add 12 to both sides. We then have -4n is greater than -20. Divide by -4 on both sides. Since we're dividing by that -4, we have to flip the inequality. -20 divided by -4 is +5. So now we have n is less than 5.